been a while since I last drove, so I'm gonna see if my car's still gonna start up. You ready? Look at that. I have low gas too. That's great. This feels so weird driving again. It feels so weird. I can drive on my own.
Hit the pedal to the floor when I hit the dog.
I'm at Starbucks. I'm at Starbucks. I'm at Chick-fil-A right now. Whenever we go back to the US, we was like getting Chick-fil-A because Chick-fil-A is only in the US. I believe, at least. I ordered online. So let's go pick it up. It is here. The name. It's like a fake name because it was like an email. So I didn't want them to steal my email or something. Let's go! Let's go. Hello. I just came back from Trader Joe's. It was pretty great. Their toast there is so good. Like any of their bread, I think, is really good. You probably know this, but I love the candles. There's a scent I saw called Salted Caramel and Pistachio. It smells so good. Reminds me of a beach in a way. Not too much, because I don't really like the beach smell, but it smells so good. I think I'll keep this in the kitchen. What? This one. I'm done. Gosh, what happened? Cute. Gotta get the shots. Oh, it's so cool.
Oh my god. Wow.
There, the amount of rice. But I mean, I can't get work done. Or in the Philippines, that's all you got.
I get a fruit cheesecake. Wow. I cannot use this thing. What, your laptop? Back home.
You see the sunrise over there.
Oh, you do? No, what are you doing? Gotta make duck. These are good, but I can never finish these.
Yeah.
To the parents, because they're sick right now.
Gotta do it.
Hi. Mint choco.
You should start looking like
Whoa.
oh wow, it's beautiful.
Second time poaching an egg. I kind of got it. Anyway, you don't want to see the first time. I don't think I even took a picture of the first time. I apologize for the spoon. Whoa. I just came back from grocery shopping. I got some chicken. I was craving chicken. I got honey soy or something like that. And then like the spicy chicken level 2. I also got a sandwich for my dad, but I'm just gonna share these at home. I think this is the sweet and spicy level 2. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so, I would say it's pretty, but it's chicken. Ready? soy garlic. They're both really good. Hello, we are at Walmart because we have a movie at 10. You're gonna be watching Insidious 5. Let's do a little haul. I don't know if I've ever tried this before, but it's the Chewy Chips Ahoy Reese's version. What? That's obvious. She's getting gas right now. I got the Reese's Take 5. There was not a smaller bag, so I got this huge bag. I just got her Funyuns, Airheads, Arizona. See there. Look at this. Okay. What are we? What is it?
Okay, guys, this is for the.
Hello, we are gonna go to a 9:45 a.m. session for yoga. I'm so excited. So I finally get to do something. And yes, the room is very messy. When I got back home, I was like basically sick for like a week. But I'm all good now, so it's all good. We're gonna go because we're running late. They were actually 11 a.m. It was not 9:45. We're here at 11. It's so cute. Good morning. It's already 7:13. I am gonna go to a cafe. They opened 13 minutes ago. This is outfit. Also, I was not able to finish cleaning my room yesterday, so it's actually not that clean right now. Let's get some work done. Laptop, earphones just in case I want to listen to music. Then wallet, keys, earbuds. What was I doing? Going back. I don't know what to do today, man. We're going to Chick-fil-A for lunch.
Oh.
Bang
bang. What? You're gonna have to tell me right now. You piqued my interest.
Huh? Sounds like actually
with the kids. Wait, what do you want?
Wait, I'm literally typing it down.
Really,
Okay. Oil milkshake with the Chick-fil-A, a chicken sandwich, and plain meal.
Get another chicken sandwich, like no meal.
I love this guy.
You know him?
No. Wait, do you know that kid?
Who? No.
Scooter.
Is that like my old karate sensei?
Wait. Which one?
The bald guy. You used to have hair.
You working at Chick-fil-A now?
Alright.
My lemonade boy.
Our meal.
About this thing till that boys.
Fried with Chick-fil-A sauce. just cleaned out my whole entire makeup collection, but it's pretty old, so that's why I just easily got rid of it. I have like no attachment to it. And now I have these organizing containers for my crazy desk. The only reason it gets this messy is because I just don't have a good organizing system. Today, we're gonna fix that. Ooh, excited. Progress so far. Okay, I'm done. Wanna see? I don't know if you can see it from the angle. I am so tired. Let's move on to the bed. Hello. I hope you enjoyed that video. I do not have many updates, so I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye. Hey, this is so weird. Still driving with me because I've not driven in a month. I think it's mainly because of the sauce. The sauce is so good. Like before, I didn't even like Chick-fil-A, and then I tried their sauce. Now I love it.
Dog, can you just get this at H Mart?
Mm?
Ichiwan ramen.
Yeah, I think. Cause the stores I need to go to are not. How Target? I need to get like boxes. But I don't know if they have that. I think I have some at home, so we'll be okay. Hopefully. What? My God. It's about to rain. That's why she's a bit scared. I got my tea right here. We're just gonna hang out.
We bit this off. We need to chew. And we took it from marketing and hired the contract.
My leg is. I bought so many teas because I love tea.